Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ravi Agrari and you guys are listening me on KSG India online platform. From last few years, gravitational waves become very hot cake in this universe studies. Gravitational wave is that which was firstly identified and described by Einstein. Under Einstein general theory of relativity, this gravitational wave defined firstly. In the beginning, people could not understood about gravitational wave, but time to time, scientists try to find out gravitational waves. Gravitational waves generate in the universe because of many activities. Many constructions and destruction processes are going on in this universe. During these all entire process, even from the beginning of universe means from Big Bang around 13.6 billion years ago to till now date guys. There are many incidents happen in this space. And in these all incidents, gravitational wave generated in this space many times. So if we will find out the gravitational waves, we can understand about the mysteries of universe. What happened in the beginning of universe? What happened just after Big Bang? So many answers, those are mysteries right now, we can get it very easily. For that purposes, for the detection of gravitational waves, many gravitational wave observatories even set up. Total 6 observatories are in news guys. 2 which is the LIGO based laboratories. LIGO is a Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory. This is the name of a gravitational wave observatory. Again I repeat, LIGO, Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatories. 2 LIGO laboratories set up, the one in Hanford, Washington and second in Livingston, Louisiana. These are the 2 working laboratories. Especially they are trying to find out gravitational waves. One more LIGO based laboratory that has planned to set up in coming future, and that will be in India. That is popular as a LIGO India. Even on 17 February 2016, Union Cabinet cleared the LIGO India project with a current estimate of around 1200 crore rupees. And the site where we will set up the LIGO laboratory is Hingoli district, Maharashtra. Many of the research laboratories in India, they are participating, they are going to involve into the development of LIGO India. So in that way there are 3 laboratories, the 2 LIGO laboratories which are already set up, US based, and one US associated India based, that is the name of LIGO India. Okay, these are the 3 observatories. 4th observatory, that is GEO, Germany. This is also in working condition. Virgo, Italy, in working condition. But some more just like Kagra, which will be set up in Japan. Kagra in Japan. But Kagra, it is in developing form. In coming future, Kagra will start to do their own work. So in that way guys, many gravitational wave observatories worldwide, they are going to either set up or someone already set up earlier. And through the help of these observatories, we are trying to find out gravitational waves. Gravitational waves Einstein discovered through their own mathematical formulas, through their own mathematical modelings in 1915. And through the help of many instruments and devices, we find out the existence of gravitational wave in 2014 and it published in 2015. So officially gravitational wave detected in 2015 after 100 years. 1915 when Einstein said gravitational wave exists. 2015 when we proved yes, gravitational wave exists. And those gravitational wave we have detected, it was because of merging of 2 black holes. And this was also a question paper of UPSC 2019. So this is the way guys, gravitational wave observatories that will give a proper clues guys about universe mysteries. And slowly and gradually we are trying to do a massive research work in these many stations as a gravitational wave observatories, and few of them in coming future will set up. And one of them is very popular, as I'm telling you, that is LIGO India, Hingoli district, Maharashtra. I hope this all the entire lecture you will understand and it will be helpful to you guys for your examination. Thank you. Have a good day.